This video is the introduction to digitizing. We're going to create a new shapefile and get ready to digitize. In this case, we're going to digitize buildings, that is, create a footprint or a square-ish item near each of our points. The first thing we need to do is to determine what the coordinate system of our orthophotos are. Should know how to do this already, but I go to the source and look at the spatial reference NAD UTM zone 10N. That is what I'm looking for. And the datum is important, but most important, NAD 83 UTM zone 10. We say OK. From there, I go to Arc Toolbox, Data Management, Feature Class, and create Feature Class. And a drop box pops up. First thing is to choose a location, and in this case, Data Lab 5. And I'm going to name it. Keep it in the same folder by going up, click Data Lab 5, and then click Add. We don't name it in that row. It gets a little confusing. Then the feature class name is where we name it. In my case, I'm going to name it Tacoma Footprints, either with or without the underscore. It is going to be a polygon. The coordinate system says optional, which is not optional. We should click on it, and in this case, I'm going to import from my orthophotos, which becomes the geographic coordinate system, but NAD 83 UTM zone 10 up here, geographic down here. Say OK, and click OK. Flex time 0.00. Notice I do have background processing off, so this window pops up. I click Close. In Tacoma Footprints, as expected, it is blank. There is nothing. We created a blank polygon feature class. The directions, if you're doing this in a lab, we were to add 14 new fields. I'm going to do that by clicking Add Field. I'm going to do one of them, P table. I asked you to do them all in caps. If you tab and hit T, it goes to text. You tab again, it goes to the length. And in this case, choose 10. And OK. Next, add field. Do them in order. Next one is bench. Tab, hit the T, tab, 10, and say OK. I'm going to finish these up without making you wait through. You should add yours at this time. The last one you add should be other. Tab, 10. At the very end, you will not use the word other. In this one, you will use whatever abbreviation you have. Notice it must be less than 10 characters. And that's how you add a new shape field with the coordinate system of your orthophoto, which is important, and how to add a bunch of text fields. Hope this helped.